This guide will help you understand the process of requesting payouts on your Apple ID. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth payout request. Step 1. Access your Apple ID account. Log into your Apple ID account using your credentials. You can do this by visiting the Apple ID website or through your device settings. Step 2. Navigate to payment information. Once logged in, locate the payment and shipping section. Here, you can view your current payment methods and any pending payouts. Step 3. Check eligibility for payouts. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Initiate the payout request. Find the option to request a payout. This may be labeled as request payout or similar. Follow the prompts to enter the amount you wish to withdraw and confirm your request. Step 5. Confirm and monitor your requests. After submitting your payout request, check for a confirmation message. Keep an eye on your account for updates regarding the status of your payout. By following these steps, you can easily request payouts on your Apple ID. Make sure to stay informed about any changes in policies or procedures that may occur in the future.